How to download view only video file from Google Drive. So hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a view only video file from Drive. So first of all, you need to open your Drive and log into your email, and then you have to open the video you want to download, like let's say this one. So after double clicking on the video will start getting played, and you just have to stop it and press on function 12 button from your keyboard. And if you press that, there will be a console opened like this one, and you have to click on the network from here, and you have to just click on playing, and you have to make sure that the video quality is set to the highest, like 1080 for this video. And we have to look for video files under network, as you can see, and you have to look for the largest video size or largest file size. So as you can see, this one is the largest file size. You just have to right click on it, and then you have to copy the URL from here, and then you have to just paste the URL to here, and then you have to look for the range from here, and you just have to select all the part from the range and click on enter. And after clicking on enter, you can see this file from here, and you can just simply press on download, and it will start getting download to your PC or your device. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.